We're going to Goolwa Beach, and I've had a bit of an idea. I reckon this will do.
What is he using a skateboard on the beach for?
Let's get into it. Alright, so we've made it to Goolwa Beach. We're going to do some four-wheel driving. We've decided that regular beach driving is too easy, so we're gonna change it up and do it in two-wheel drive. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
So anticlimactic.
Oh man.
Goolwa Beach, as long as you've got a four-wheel drive, it's easy to get down onto. It's a beautiful little beach to drive on. And as long as you're doing the right things, going around other cars and people, and not trying to drive up onto the dunes, unfortunately they'll probably end up closing the beach if four-wheel drivers keep coming down here and destroying the beach. Oh, yep. Oh. So close. Oh, he's so... No, hang on. There it is! Yeah, baby! So what's happened here?
I chose a particularly soft spot to drive through, that's what I did. Gotta drive in the harder stuff and you'll have fun like this. Like he thinks, oh look at me, I got all this equipment. Don't need it, you just need your hands and good driving.
Oh! 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 Hey! Yeah! You did it! He's stuck already. If I don't bog down, I can do this. Oh no. Do be a little bit sneaky and chuck the rig in four-wheel drive without them knowing.
Are the hubs locked?
No. But I could go out and pretend I'm checking the tyres.
Yeah.
They won't see me. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Let me go check the bogging.
I think we're clear, right?
I think we're clear. I think they didn't notice. They didn't notice, so...
Look at it, piece of cake.
Beautiful.
Although, wouldn't want to get stuck here, would ya?
Oh, that's not good.
Uh-oh.
Stalled. Now I can go back. Oh no, maybe I can't. Alright, I'll concede. So Matt, what's your plan for lunch?
We're gonna try and catch a fish. That's what the plan is for lunch.
You want to catch a fish in this ocean?
Yes. Well, I've completely forgotten how to cast, I'll be honest. Oh, I think I got one. Oh no. It's a big one as well.
Oh, what have you caught, Matt?
Wow. Look what we caught. We caught some Atlantic salmon. Alrighty, today we're cooking teriyaki salmon. To cook teriyaki salmon, no clue how to cook teriyaki salmon. We have no oil. I reckon we could make do with the cooking with the teriyaki sauce.
Yep, the sticky, gloopy,
Yeah.
thick teriyaki sauce.
We'll start by throwing some teriyaki sauce on our pan. We're now going to throw some water in our pan as well. Now we've got oil.
So, with the bok choy, we're just going to cut the tops off. No one wants this up at the bottom.
Bok choy is ripper. If you don't like bok choy, then you're weird. Throw in our Asian salad mix. Yeah, it says stir fry, so we're gonna stir fry it. So our salmon is looking a bit questionable. We're gonna cook it like 5 minutes on the skin side, you know, like a little bit on the other side. I'm not really timing it, but
Nah, we'll just go off.
we'll cook it until it's cooked. And then we'll throw it into our rice, which, as you can see, is not one large pot. We like our one pot stuff here, so this is now going to become a one pot, even though we used 2.
So I've seen better looking dog food than that.
Mix that salad in. Now, if that's not a 5-star cuisine, I don't know what is. So let's serve up and give her a taste test, eh? Alright, well, fellas, we've got teriyaki salmon rice bowl, 1 pot cup noodle with bok choy and Asian salad, and parsley was meant to be coriander. Cheers, fellas.
I think it's safe to say this is your first fail.
This is a great success. He kind of loves it.
Are you ready?
You know how my foot starts, I've been figuring out everything, so.
That's good.
I personally think I'm just going to fall off immediately. But you never know, do you?
Oh. You're gonna have to lean back super hard, I reckon.
It digs in. It digs in heaps. I'm gonna have to try and get my back foot so far. I'm now gonna hit the jumps on the skateboard. I might die. Oh, that's a good start. Let's go! Nick's gonna have a go now.
GoPro, you and I are in this together. We're gonna hit it, we're gonna get mad air.
Will it be easier?
I think it'll be easier, but there's gonna be more chance of me dying.
There it is! Yeah! There it is!
I think on that note, we'll call it a day. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check our socials to keep updated on what we're doing. And thanks for watching, everyone.